Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. And shoutout po kay Sir Giano 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 John of Cebu. Sir, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. This is your unit, the Glock 19X by ENC gas blowback airsoft pistol. Comes with Pop Dino number 12 standard power green gas, and also comes with 0.23 grams 4,000 shots. Okay, yan po yung package. Tingnan natin yung the other side ng ating unit. Ayan, so this is the Glock 19X 2-tone black slide tan frame. Okay. Unit of Sir Giano John of Cebu. Tama, Cebu? Yes, Cebu. Okay. Hi sir, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. So, i-review natin yung unit mo, Sir Giano John of Cebu. Okay sir, again, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. This is your unit, the ENC Glock 19X or code number EC1302LDE. Okay, may kasama na po siyang gas, number 12 standard power, and also comes with 4,000 shots, 0.23 grams airsoft BBs. Okay, tingnan pa natin yung mga kasama sa box. Okay, owner's manual, box strap, 2 box straps also included. Silica gel. Okay, so this is the unit sir, Glock 19X. Glock 19X on the markings of on the slide. Ayan. Engraved po siya talaga sa slide. Ayan, Glock 19X. And also, meron din siyang markings dito sa grip. Then, ito naman yung sa kabilang side. Okay. So, this is 24 rounder capacity magazine. Meron din tayong available na magazine. Compatible din siya sa WE magazine. Yung sa ENC compatible po sa WE. So, ayan, with the lanyard loop. This is Gen 5. Okay, Gen 5. Glock 19X Gen 5 two-tone. And the design of the sight. Ayan. So, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng accessories, flashlight, tracer units, red dot optic. Meron tayong available na red dot optic. Pakita ko lang sa inyo, sir. Okay, so ito po yung ating red dot optic na po pwede sa unit nyo sir sa Glock 19X. Ayan. This is RMR. Ayan. Red dot optic. Ayan. Po pwede po siyang ikabit sa inyong unit. This is Glock 17. Glock 17 po ito. By ENC also. Glock 17 Taran Tactical Innovations, TTI. Okay. So this is the Glock 19X. Okay, Glock 19X, ENC Glock 19X, unit of Sir Giano John of Cebu. Okay, ayan. Gen 5. Okay, lagyan natin ng gas, sir, and BBs para matest natin kung ilang EPS. Okay, Sir Giano John of Cebu, sir. Welcome again to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Testing po, chronograph testing ng inyong Glock 19X two-tone black slide tan frame. Okay. EPS testing. Airing 288.6. 288.6. Okay. Firing 296.5. Firing again 290.9. Okay, and last one, 300.7. Okay. And then, open chamber. Open chamber na. Okay. Release the slide muna, sir. Tapos, bali ito kasi yung slide stop niya is sa Gen 5 po ay ambidextrous. Magkabilaan na po yan. So, hatakin nyo lang yung slide. Ito, hatakin nyo lang yung slide. Bababa kasi itong slide stop. Yan. Tapos, tsaka mo siya bitawan. Then, release. Okay. Again, this is the Glock 19X Gen 5 by ENC. Ayan. Unit ni Sir Geno John ng Cebu. Okay? Sir. So, testing ba tayo, sir? Lagyan pa natin ng bala. Pero, bala lang lalagay natin. Hindi tayo maglalagay ng gas. Kasi may gas pa po yan eh. Yan. Matigas pa yung outlet valve. So, pag matigas, may gas pa po yan. So, lagyan lang natin ng 8 shots siguro. 6, 8. Okay, testing pa tayo, Sir Geno John of Cebu. Sir Geno John of Cebu, testing po. Glock 19X Gen 5 by ENC. Ayan. Okay, testing. Firing. Okay, open chamber, release the magazine, roll back the slide, hammer down. Sir Geno John of Cebu, sir, okay na po ang inyong unit. Kung may question po regarding sa inyong unit, message lang sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day.